Spots of the valley had snow on the ground for more than a month and a half. Taking a live look right now over York, we've got a storm system moving overhead, but it's warm enough to just produce rain and some strong gusty winds. You heard Ed Weinstock earlier today that portions of York County are having some power outages because of those stronger winds. Right now it's 38 degrees in the White Rose City, and we have the rain falling. Winds are sustained right now at 16 miles per hour. It's up to 24 miles per hour in Lancaster, 18 right now in Harrisburg, and 24. Winds will remain primarily out of the east or northeast as we head through the afternoon, and we could see some wind gusts up near 50 miles per hour through about 4 o'clock. That is the wind advisory. That's when it expires. Notice the pinker shades off to our east towards Wilmington and Philadelphia. They're under a high wind warning where winds could gust as high as 60 miles per hour. So here's a look at the predictor taking you through the afternoon. You could see possibly some gusts up or just above 50 miles per hour. They will start to drop later this evening as the storm system starts to move overhead. And then by the time we head tomorrow morning, still could be near 30 miles per hour, but that's below the advisory criteria. So it is going to remain breezy through the night tonight and on into our Tuesday. Look at that widespread rain now moving across much of the Susquehanna Valley. We have some heavier showers moving in through Franklin County and Adams County. Notice back towards Bedford and Altoona, higher elevations actually seeing some light snow. There may be a switchover in portions of the Susquehanna Valley to a sleet and snow mix later this evening, leading to some light slushy accumulations. It's the strong winds out of the east and the center of the storm that will be moving right overhead as we head through the evening hours. So most of the area will continue to see rain and those strong gusty winds through the afternoon, but there could be a time period we could see some of that switching over to a wintry mix, especially north and northwest of Harrisburg as we get closer to sunset. This will continue through the night. Most of the area will see rain showers. Some spots will continue to see that snow mix, and then the showers will start to taper off, and we may see a little bit of some sunshine tomorrow afternoon. Not much, but it will be nice to see the sun out there. Temperatures remain mild in the 40s. So in terms of precipitation type, most of the Susquehanna Valley will continue to see some rain, but some sleet will start to mix in later this evening, possibly even some light snowfall through early Tuesday morning. But again, I think temperatures are so warm that a lot of this just will continue to melt. We're down to 39 in Lancaster. It's 40 right now in Harrisburg. Temperatures are mild off to our south, so the temperatures will remain above freezing, even though this storm system will wrap in some cooler air from the north. So watch what happens here as we head through the predictor hour by hour so you can plan the rest of your day. There you can see that switch over to possibly a mix west of the river and also northwest of Harrisburg. Most of the valley will continue to see rain as we head through the overnight, but there still could be some pockets of some wintry mix. Then the storm system starts to slowly pull away from us as we head through tomorrow. And look at that, as we head into Tuesday evening, may actually see some breaks in the clouds. This will also be the case as we head into Wednesday. It's going to remain mild. Tomorrow's highs will be in the low to mid 40s. On Wednesday, look for highs to be back into the 50s. In terms of snowfall, perhaps some slushy accumulations on the higher elevations as you head north of Carlisle up towards Lewistown and State College. Most of the Susquehanna Valley will just see rain with possibly a little bit of some sleet and snow mixing in later this evening on into tonight. So warm and mild. Look at those temperatures on Wednesday. 52 degrees for our high, back down to near seasonable averages by the time we head into the weekend. Still have yet to see a 1-inch snowfall in Harrisburg, and I think our trend will continue for the rest of the week. May see some flurries by next Sunday.
All right, we may set that record
It
yet.
could be.
All right, thanks, Ethan.